every so often be like,
pushing up on this side.
oh my god. Go, what happened? Let's go see.
Yeah, they were kind enough to leave him unguarded. He walked out the front door.
Are you filming this?
This is where we do that.
They didn't even notice yet. That's the thing.
Apparently they haven't. Apparently they haven't figured out that he's gone. Stay down and into it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
I'm gonna need a few people just to lay down a little bit of fire while we just run him back. So we take him back.
Vito Tonacho, over.
This is our objective was to retrieve him, which he rescued himself.
Okay. Well, technically, then what? I'm unarmed.
Anyone got any ammo or weapons?
Yeah.
I don't have a sight on.
Well, I'm aside from mine. Okay.
Do you want to switch to channel 2, find out what to do now that we've got him?
Our M14 guy doesn't move through there.
Where are you? Alright, I'm gonna watch this flank, okay?
Yep, do that.
Keep your head down.
How did you escape?
Well, luckily one of the guards, he took his eye off me, and while he was on the other side of the tent, I walked out the back.
Channel 2?
Just so epically.
Fantastic. How do you feel now?
Feel relieved that I'm safe and out of my hands.
Control of the
Great.
SWAT member.
Happy to see you. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
Let's get you home. One casualty.
Two?
Two casualties.
2 casualties.
Oh no.
We lost 3, and who else?
3 people.
No, we lost number 3.
Oh,
Echo 3, yeah.
Is this affecting your game any?
Yeah,
A little
Echo
bit.
6
They've got
was
good defensive positions. We haven't been able to infiltrate, but luckily our pressure kept them away from guarding you.
There's an RV trail,
I have nothing.
or an ATV trail. On the side, they're completely not watching it.
Okay.
That's what I took to get over here.
Alright, so we'll take Eric, get him back to safe.
Yes.
Vito's here, over.
We got 2 snipers and the bunker over here. They had one in their respawn point.
We have
I haven't seen one since, and most of their forces are off to the left.
Okay.
Off to their left.
They're guarding their spawn point then. It means this flank's open if we take that RV trail, but... hostage first, right? Alright.
Yeah, we've rescued the hostage. Awaiting orders.
I'm surprised they haven't sniped me standing up like this.
Yeah, I know.
They're probably
Not that I
they're
want
probably
to...
all having a group meeting going, what the hell are we doing now?
Okay,
I think
screw it.
Alright, we're pulling back with them then.
Take him back.
Alright.
Let's go here.
You're in front. Thanks very much.
Alright, Scott, I'll remain on game control.
People actually say
Radio,
they've been
radio
injured.
someone
Please go
else.
with me. Hold on. Okay, just stand right beside him and we're gonna run. Go. We're just following the natives. Let's do this again.
So we're taking the hostage
Ready?
there.
Have you been injured?
We can either fall back with them or we can go try and take a base. The SWAT guy said the RV path. So we could go around and then hit either this base or completely pass it and go on to their spawn because they have like nobody there. So we need to watch this bunker. I think so. I'm not sure if he's...
I'm just curious how realistic this is, considering they just let him walk.
Yeah, I don't know if we let him walk or if he snuck out, but I don't know. He's got a radio?
We've got a radio.
Radio...
It's respawning.
What? Okay, radio
It
Echo
failed.
2
It's there.
and tell him to...
Eric, once you got him back, he's on our team. And then our objective is to clear the area.
Echo 2, Scott, come in.
passing on to him. He doesn't have me on the radio right now.
Is that just
Echo 6,
me?
come up on your 6 with the SWAT.
Is that yours or did someone just drop it?
It's mine.
Oh, okay.
Echo 2, come in.
Responding to here.
Keep an eye on the hostage, because we aren't too sure if he's telling the truth. You never know. Keep an eye on it.
Bunker.
To that Echo 6. Understood.
It's not like
Responding.
Objective from game control, by the way, was to clear the area now and take the base.
Oh, watch the rate. Okay.
Moving back to position.
So what is exactly happening right now?
What's happening? SWAT is being rebriefed for next objective, and we're just awaiting ours.
So we've just heard amazing news. Our hostage has escaped. And hold on, what are they doing? Let's follow them. There. You can zoom in and see them. We know our opponents have really good protective positions. So we haven't been able to infiltrate, but we have the hostage, so we should see what the plan is now. There's a lot of shots going on right now. Yeah, I don't